Okay, good morning, Miss Putri. So, a bit of intro from me. There were two big teams in England in the Premier League. There were Arsenal and Manchester United. These two teams were among top six of the best club in the England Premier League, England Football League. They were called the Big Six, and Arsenal and Manchester United are the two teams that include in that. And in this season, in the 25-26 season, these two teams are the best performing team in the league. Well, Arsenal on the top of the league until now with their 61 point, and Manchester United with 48 point in the uh, fourth, fourth place in the table. So in this video, I will tell you how how is this team met each other in their class in January and how their recent results now. Okay, starting from their class in Emirates Stadium. So in the third week of January 2026, Arsenal and Manchester United are met in a great rivalry in Emirates Stadium in London, which is this game is a beautiful game if you watch it. And with the score of 3-2, Manchester United managed to win the game with Patrick Dorgu, Bryan Mbeumo, and Matheus Cunha who scored in the game. And where Arsenal also scored with the own goal from Lisandro Martinez and Mikel Merino. So why this result in Emirates is important is because first Arsenal are the top of the league, and this defeat in Emirates Stadium is their first defeat in their home from this season. Along 7 months they undefeated, and with their Manchester United game the streak is over. And with this with this victory from Manchester United, they managed to climb up to the fourth position on the table. And with the 3-2, they also managed to narrowing the gap between Arsenal and the other teams below it with just 5 or 3 points. With just 5 or 3 points. Okay, next I will tell you about their newest performance. From Arsenal, I will start from Arsenal. So after that game, they really become inconsistent with their result. They become shaky with their match draw, not with winning again. They started not to winning again, and they failed to get a good results. For example, in the last two games, they only managed a draw with Wolves. Wolves is the worst club in the table in the Premier League in the 20 position. But in the newest match with Tottenham Hotspur, Arsenal managed to win 4-1. That was a chaotic game with the Arsenal players scored the goal against the net of Tottenham Hotspur. And there was a commentator from Al Jazeera that said these Arsenal teams are in dangers. They're not just the attacker that dangerous like Saka or Martinelli or Gyökeres, but also in the defense that terrifying from the corner like Gabriel, Saliba, and also a good goalkeeper from David Raya. And with this win, Arsenal managed to get 61 points in total, with Manchester City coming up to the second place with 58 points. But Arsenal managed to play one more game, so City can catch up to them. And while Manchester United also get a winning result from the last performance, including 4 wins in a row, 1 draw, and 1 wins against Everton. And with this streak winning with their new manager and new formation, their goalkeeper Senne Laman say that this new manager bring us the hype that we want to give to our fans. So they play 4 in the back, for defender in the back, so they can communicate each other, so they can stay up relevant and bond their chemistry. That is. So the question is now is, will Manchester United keep this good result until the end of the season? Can they manage to get top 4 or even be the champions? And for Arsenal, can they keep their win streak so that they can win the league? Fun fact, Arsenal haven't won any trophy since 2020, 6 years ago. And while Premier League, they haven't won it since 2004. So can Man United climb into the top 4 again, or will Arsenal battle it? We will see.